guys, it's Sam here. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. Today is Sunday. Today is Bristol, baby. I'm excited for Bristol today. Gonna be super fun. My favorite track in the whole NASCAR circuit. I know, Chester. You gotta pee, and I'm just talking to this blue thing. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Let's go pee pee. You gotta go pee pee? Let's go pee pee. Go. Aww. Got the prediction show uploaded. I don't really care that I uploaded it late. If you don't like me for it, then you don't have to like me. You see, I also did a mobile version of it today, so I don't care. So guys, there is a robin's bird nest over here, if you guys saw yesterday's vlog. So I read online that robin birds get very territorial, get very aggressive towards their nests, and they can get aggressive towards humans, and they can attack them. So with my non-usage of common sense, I'm going to go towards this bird. Oh, hello there. Hi. You got your little babies? You got your little robin eggs? Got your little things that came out of your vagina? Got your little babies that you are, you know, fertilizing? Got your little beautiful nature things? Got your little birdies that are gonna hatch out of their eggs within 12 to 14 days? How many of them you got now? How many of them do you got now, little birdie? Yeah, that's what I thought. You're not gonna talk to me because you don't like me. Because you think I'm gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I am not gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna stand this close, maybe get a little closer. But yeah, the birdie's in its nest.
Hello?
Hey.
What do you want?
There's a bird, a robin bird, in a nest that's incubating baby eggs. You wanna come see it?
I already know that it's there. I'll check on it later.
But it's like right there. I'm only a few inches from it.
I don't care.
Okay, I'll ask Sophia the same question.
The wireless customer you are calling is not available. Please try again later. El cliente de servicio móvil al que llama no
Spanish people?
está disponible.
Spanish people?
Favor de intentar más
Now you can
tarde.
understand. His mouth is a little bit open, and it is, yeah, he just tweeted a little bit. I think this guy's getting kind of mad at me, so I think I should leave him alone. I'm not actually going to leave him alone. I just think that I should leave him alone. I'm gonna stay here, but what I should be doing is leaving him alone. I'm gonna leave him alone. It's a girl. Why am I calling it a guy? It's a girl. I want to see what happens if I knock on the window. Okay? So we're gonna like zoom in real close. Nothing. No reaction? Or are you too busy incubating your eggs to pay attention to what really matters? I'm sorry. Am I boring? Am I boring you? And that's what's going to be happening outside my window in 12 to 14 days.
Are you ready for a perfect storm?
The weather, the already difficult track is
Tomorrow at 1 p.m. That sucks. That freaking sucks. So the race, it starts at 1 p.m. Eastern for race coverage. So probably the race will start around 1:30. Which actually means it'll start around 1:45. So by the time I'd get home, it'd be like an hour into the race. I'm deciding, should I just like come home? I'm not sure. Maybe I should just, because I won't miss much if I just come home. And it might rain tomorrow too, so who knows? You know, I'm at my boiling point right now. I can't even stand it. You know what? I'm getting steamed right now. You're in some hot water right now. Guys, during the rain delay, they have coverage 100,000 cameras from last year's Daytona 500, and I actually entered it, and I remember being on TV, so we'll see me in a few minutes. Okay, so I know it's when they're coming onto the backstretch. I'm on TV, so you guys will see me in a few seconds.
Come on, there we go for New Zealand! Great boy, let's go racing! Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys! Okay, that's ready.
From Dominican Republic.
Mine's next.
Of the Daytona 500. This 2016 season has officially started. Woo!
Yeah, my voice is so high back then. So guys, as you guys know, when a race gets postponed, you guys know that my favorite thing to do is to see whose time we are taking up on air. So it's Fox Sports 1 at 1 p.m. tomorrow. At 1 p.m. coming on is The Herd with Colin Cowherd. It is a live event, but it's only sporting news. So, and also Skip and Shannon Undisputed. That'll also be going on while the race is happening. He's so curious, but he really doesn't want to get up. Oh, that's the perfect angle. I think he knows what I'm doing, so he just doesn't really care. But he's oh. Vinny, look. Vinny, look. Oh, he's not going to. Okay. Well. Oh. Oh. Guys, look what Kim got us. Got us chocolate bunnies.
No, mine.
Well, no, they're all mine actually. What was that?
You guys gonna start a movie with me tonight?
I'm watching Friday Night Cranks.
Oh. But today's Sunday.
Well, no, but like shows from like 5 years ago.
Oh, I knew that.
They already ended the show like 6 months ago, and it's sad. They ended it back in July, and I can't live with my life anymore.
Well, at least it discourages you from doing as many fake prank calls as you used to.
That's true. I did used to do a lot of those.
And now that Friday Night Cranks.
See, the weird thing is that like just a few weeks ago, this guy started prank calling me, and I wasn't watching Friday Night Cranks for a long time, and now, like, that got me thinking, like, oh yeah, I remember when I used to watch that show like all the time, and now I'm like rewatching episodes again. Hey dog. Oh, that's cute. Okay, bye bye. And why are you feeling the need to do this? Come on, let's go. Get outside! Yeah. No, go. No. Come on. Get. Oh. Look at all that hair. This is your fault, Mercy. Your fault. Let's go. Oh, you're gonna refuse to do what you're supposed to do, and then you're gonna attempt to bite me? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought you were supposed to do. Man, how freaking long does that take? See, now the beauty of April break is that you can edit in the morning, but when you go back to school, you can't. So I gotta go edit this vlog. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here for you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Stay strong, guys. Have a fantastic day today, and I will see you later tomorrow, and that'll be the race. Probably will be a little bit late, but also it's supposed to rain a lot tomorrow. It's almost 8 p.m. right now, and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, up until 8 p.m. too, so Yeah, it's probably gonna get postponed till Tuesday, but it's looking good on Tuesday. So I'll see you guys later.